In this video, we're going to discuss the function of the slim key. This is a slim key. It has no buttons on it. Okay. There is a mechanical key on it, or a physical key, that if you just push in that little button, you push in this little button right here, the key slides out, okay? And now you can get into your truck if you had to. Now, one of the interesting things about it is, since there is no buttons on it, you can't open it and close it from a distance. But, and here let me go in and we'll talk about this a little bit closer. So here, I've got this thing. I do not have my other key fob with me or anything like that. But right now, I can walk up here, I can lock it, I can unlock it, lock it, and unlock it. So I could carry this in my wallet if I wanted to and be able to open and close my truck. So here we are inside with the smart key, or with the slim key. The slim key works exactly the same way. I'm going to put it down here on the console. I'm going to put my foot on the brake, push the button, and it starts. Okay? Same goes for stopping it. Just push the button and it stops. Okay? So here I am with the slim key. I've already pried this open a little bit, but I can pull this out, okay, and that cover exposes the battery. The battery is a CR2412 3-volt battery, okay? And exactly the same way as the key fob worked, okay, without the battery, I can put my foot on the brake, push the button, and it'll still work. So this thing can work without the battery in it, okay? But you have to push it with push the button with this, okay? So that's another way. That's how it works. To put it back together again, with the Toyota emblem on top, you slide the battery in there, and put it back together. You push that together and it clicks together. Again, this can go into your wallet, purse, whatever like that. A lot of people I've seen actually put these in the little credit card carriers that prevents anybody from scanning your credit cards and stealing your information off your credit cards. Same thing is true of this. You can sit there and put that in there and keep people from reading your codes off your key fob or off your slim key. Okay, so that's the slim key, and has its own applications, and I've got some uses for it later on in another video that we got. Until next time. The next video in this series, which is number 3, is the Toyota app. We're going to talk a little bit about how to use it and some of the features it does for you and why I tend to use that more than I do my key fob. Thanks again for watching Everyday Tacoma. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and happy taco hunting. Now, if you see some value in this video or any of the others here on the channel, do me a favor, head over to Custom Address Sign. That's where we create custom aluminum metal art. I can print your favorite digital photographs on glossy gallery quality aluminum panels. Glamour shots of your Tacoma? Car show photos? Action shots in the dirt? We'll turn it into a stunning print with a custom drop shadow frame ready to hang.